In this episode, an introduction to the Ford F-150 Lightning reveals an electric pickup that blends workhorse capability with modern tech. It offers instant torque from dual electric motors, a payload capacity, and Pro Power Onboard that turns the truck into a generator. Design elements lean on familiar Ford cues with a modern electric silhouette and a roomy cabin loaded with driver assists. Performance is tuned for work and play with drive modes and a balanced ride at the job site or on the highway. This episode highlights what makes the Lightning stand out in the growing EV pickup segment.